Cardong Lakay. Okay, sir. Where are you from? Okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Okay, kids. Listen, kids. Don't do this in your house. Because this magic is very dangerous magic. Okay? That's why I need the two adults working on stage. Okay? Alright, sir. All you have to do is follow me. Okay? Tatay mo? Okay, good. Okay, show the rope. Show the rope. Just follow me, sir. Follow me. Follow me. Ang tagal ng sakong. Okay, show the rope like this. Like this, and point the right foot. Okay, follow me. Okay. One more. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. That's it. You like it? Okay, four. Okay, and give me a rope like this. Give me a knot like this, okay? And a knot on the top. And pull tightly like this, sir. Pull tightly. Good? Okay, let's see. Okay, one more. Okay, good. 1, 2, and 3. What's your name, sir? Ricky. Are you ready? Okay, Ricky. On to your hand. Okay? Do you believe in power? Good. In power? Okay. Ricky, you need to raise your left hand. Raise your left hand and put the rope on the feet. Okay. Rub it. Rub. Okay. If you feel the back, let me know. Okay? Alright. I don't know. Do you feel power? Oh, yeah. Okay. Rub it. Okay. Do it. And pull it. Up. Let's see, guys. Stop. Because of your power. You have a power, sir. Okay? You know the name of the power, right? Kili power. Alright. Okay. Ready? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Do you believe in power, right? Okay. Put in your bag. In your bag. Okay, yeah? Rub. Move your body. Alright.